his own real estate investments,
Ay, ay.
jacked up costs, and made a fortune. Never mind that housing costs went up for Riverside families. 3 decades in Washington, and Keller got up to $20 million richer. Riverside County pays the price. HMP is responsible for the content of this ad. There's no limit to how far a dream can take you. Star in your own adventure now. Qatar Airways.
Will Rollins, Gavin Newsom. See any difference? He supports higher taxes. Rollins, that is. With families struggling to pay the bills. Will Rollins would raise taxes on families. And he, Will Rollins, is endorsed by a group pushing to cut Prop 13. It could force people out of their homes. And Will Rollins would make California even more unaffordable. Newsom, Will Rollins. There's no difference. Congressional leadership runs responsible for content is advertising.
Here's what voting yes on 35 means. It creates more doctors, more nurses, more EMTs. To make it easier to get an appointment and get wait times down. Vote yes on 35. So patients get the care they need when they need it.
Airs have been capturing the mock-up space shuttle Inspiration as it made its way through the streets of Downey earlier today. The mock-up is being moved to a temporary hangar to be restored before eventually moving to the nearby Columbia Memorial Space Center. Inspiration was built in 1972, serving as a prototype for engineers. Hundreds of onlookers lined the shuttle's route, including one Orange-County mom who took her kids from school. She took them out of school for this event.
I remember when Endeavor came, I was a kid, and in school, a lot of us got to go out and see if the space shuttle would fly over us, and that was pretty exciting.
Well, once fully restored, the Inspiration will be on display at the new 20,000 square foot Space Center facility alongside other space education exhibits. Tomorrow, additional smaller segments of the shuttle will be moved into storage, but they will be mostly
It'll be very cool to see that, and nice weather today for that journey.
Yeah, a little hot. Oh, yeah, we had a few weeks ago. Yeah, very cool, kind of cloudy. But it was just really cool that this morning, last night, this morning. It's that super moon, watching now. Super moon setting there. Everything back. I'm not going to tell money camera. Got that great shot. And then you see that marine layer, the cloud cover really thick, even in the mountain spot. So your thing is changing now. Here's that turnaround we mentioned all week. I'm going to go over that cool cloudy weather and a different story together. Red flag warnings coming up. The wind is picking up out of the northeast, so red flag warnings in effect starting tomorrow until Saturday at 6 p.m. These winds in that 35 mile per hour range, gusting to 50 miles per hour. So some dangerous fire conditions in those areas in the red. Also, in addition to that, around the Denver, that's around California, St. George, and Hatchby, we're seeing a high wind warning. That's in effect until tomorrow at noon. So these areas were winds. That's now a concern if things turn around from that strong onshore push kept us cool to more of an offshore push to see temperature rise. I'll show you that in a second. Right now, it's still a little bit cloudy skies and a cool temp, so 69 for Long Beach right now. Clouds still hanging around, keeping temperatures down to 69 in Van Nuys, too. How about looking at over the mountain spots over Malibu, over the coastal area? Really nice, 68 degrees, just a nice cool day. We can see that cloud day, not just on the coast, but pushing way inland and keeping the temps all about the same. So you're showing a 69 in Palmdale and 69 in Long Beach. Is 71 for Oxnard, you're showing 70 in Riverside, 65 for Santa Clarita, 68 for Dana Beach, 71 for Huntington Beach. So cool temps all around the field. It keeps the air quality pretty good. Some beach moderate everywhere. One little patch we see of unhelpful air for sensitive groups in one area of that red indicated unhelpful air for everybody. There's just no spots there. So just be careful out there for the desert and the IE spot right now with that air quality. Now for us, again, we're going from that onshore flow to more of the offshore. These winds are kicking up, so there's that top low pressure moving out. Here comes the wind of high pressure in tomorrow. That's going to increase the offshore flow again, circulating clockwise around that high. So pushing away that marina, you see that not a lot of cloud coming along except for nights and mornings. However, chance we have light, not very much, not very long. I'll show you that 70 here in a bit. I'm not going to go on the cool side. Fraser Park down to 40, 42 for Lancaster, 35 for Redwood, and down to 30 at Big Bear as well. And high spot, another day of nice mild numbers. Mid to upper 70s through the IE, 75 past the beaches, still on the cool side, 72 for Oxford. Look ahead on the accurate 7-day forecast. Good numbers. Good, 60s, windy tomorrow, and then again, 70s and sunshine by next week. Mountain spots, man, that's nice there. 40s, 50s, and 60s for the high, so fall weather. Flurries tomorrow, around 8,000 feet or so, and nighttime temps down to that 20s and 30s range, so very cold. High day for rain, 69 jumping up to 75 up to the 80s by next week, and the wind strong. It's tomorrow, 50-mile-per-hour wind for the spots, and then kind of breezy, and again, temps is nice and mild, 80s in the high desert, only 90s in Palm Springs. So fall weather, definitely with us.
Okay, Danny, thank you. People across the state this morning blocked, covered, and held on to the Great California Shakeout. The earthquake drill at 10:17 this morning. Next, prepare Californians for the when that big one hits. Caltech, the Earthquake Country Alliance, and SoCal Edison organizing this particular event in Orlandale. The earthquake preparedness drill now in its 16th year, but recent earthquakes have served as a reminder of the importance of preparing.
Well, for shakeout to practice, drop cover and hold on, to have that resiliency so that your body will intuitively get you into that safe place. So when the earth shakes, or you get a shake alert, earthquake early warning, that you can then get into that safe place immediately and take protective actions.
An earthquake simulator also on site. Meanwhile, there are other things you can do to prepare for preparation. Officials say consider retrofitting your home. There are some state grant programs to help homeowners do just that. And of course, today's drill is a good reminder to prepare for a bigger one. Find all the information you need about how to get ready at abc7.com/preparesocal. The average rate on a 30-year mortgage in New York reaches its highest level in 8 weeks. This is according to Freddie Mac. The rate rose to 6.44%, up from 6.32% last week. Rates reached their lowest level in 2 years, 3 weeks ago, when they were down to 6.08%. But recent encouraging reports on the U.S. economy have brought those rates back up. Current 30-year mortgage rates are still well below the 7.63% average a year ago. Last election year, dating apps are helping users match with potential partners based on their political beliefs. Last month, Tinder introduced profile stickers for users to share whether they'll be voting in the election and which issues are important to them. The most popular stickers include quotes, hot people vote in I'm voting, and voting for reproductive rights. Meanwhile, OkCupid added a dozen new matching questions that focus on voter behavior like, are you voting, or is it a deal breaker if your date is voting for a different candidate than you? Cool, this sparks a lot of conversation after that.
Well, some had more potential benefits of a popular weight loss drugs, how they may reduce the risk of intoxication from overdose.
And torrential rain is hitting southern France. A calm washed away in the powerful flooding.
Coming up tonight, breaking news here. The mastermind behind the horrific October 7th terror attack killed by Israeli forces. The haunting final images. Also, new reporting tonight, the final moments of One Direction singer Liam Payne, who died at 31. The disturbing images from inside his hotel room next.
Derek Brown will do anything for others, like represent a man accused of sexual assault. Now he's in bed with people who want to gut profit, jacking up housing costs. Can't trust Trump. Congressional Leadership Fund is responsible for the content of this act.
He's been named one of the most corrupt members of Congress.
Directly benefiting from a multi-million-dollar Ken Calvert earmark will be none other than Ken Calvert himself.
Now, Ken Calvert's been caught again.
Moral ethics complaint alleges Calvert broke federal law.
Ken Calvert blurred the line between his duties as an elected official and his personal business dealings.
32 years of corruption is long enough.
I'm Will Rollins, and I approve this message.
Over 11 million Americans are paying more than half of their income in rent. As president, I will take on the high costs that matter most to most Americans. Food, clothes, rent. We will take on corporate landlords and cap unfair rent increases.
The age of affordable housing starts now. Vote yes on Prop 33 and no on Prop 34.
I don't usually speak publicly about politics, but it's important you know just how extreme Michelle Steele is on abortion. Michelle Steele led the charge to pass this bill to ban abortion nationwide, including California. No exceptions for rape, no exceptions for incest, no exceptions to save a woman's life. I swore an oath to protect my patients. Michelle Steele's abortion ban threatened their lives. HMP is responsible for the content of this act. Today, the priority is you. Getting that growth under control. Getting the mammogram done. Taking your kid to the dentist for a checkup.
Golf on Crime Politician.